Hi, welcome to this new system. It's ArcoLinuxD GWM, so Jim's Windows Manager, and it's our next new desktop. But that's not the topic of the video, but it's a little sneak preview you can have a look at already. All right? What I want you to ask is that you test the new ISOs that are online. We have a great report or relation with Calamares, and because of that, some of our issues that we've put online have been met, and we have built again the ArcoLinux ISO, our flagship, XFC OpenBox i3, that's that one. It's online with the new Calamares, and you'll see that, well, normally you won't see any U-mount errors anymore, so that's fixed in the 3.2.22. Plus, you'll see that the drop-downs, the categories are already expanded, like they say. It's open. You can select it immediately, see it immediately. So ArcoLinux is there for you guys to test, AAG, right? And ArcoLinuxD at the bottom. So the two most important ones, and all the rest are the builds, right? The builds is what you build. That's actually the point. But yeah, we build it for you. So if scripting is still a bridge too far, you can just download it and burn it and have it. But then, of course, you don't choose what goes on the ISO. And that was always the point. You build it yourself. You decide what goes on there. So we have ArcoLinux, ArcoLinuxD. What else is there to test? The Bs. And in here is Deepin. You'll boot into Deepin. You'll see what you get. What you see is what you get. You can install more, but not less. If you want to have less on Deepin, you need to build it and hashtag out a few of the applications you do not want to see. Same goes for scroll. LXQt is new, so that's number 2 of the Bs, and the last one is Qtile. Qtile is gonna boot as well in Qtile, so it's a tiling window manager, a little bit more tricky, but with the videos on ArcoLinuxB.com, if you run into trouble, there they are. So 5 new ISOs for you guys to test, and if you want to give us a report, a feedback, that's possible on Discord. There's a special channel there, the AAG channel, and you can put an image on there and tell us all went fine. All right, enjoy testing.